Welcome to Thinkhumble. In today's quick tutorial, we'll explore two powerful commands in Linux and Unix, xargs and grep. Let's understand how to use them effectively in your terminal workflow. Let's start by creating a file with some sample data using the echo command. We'll use \n to add line breaks between each word. Echo E helps us format the string with new lines. The output includes values like Apple, Linux 1.23, Hello, 2024, and World 99. We're saving this output to a file named list.txt. Let's check the file contents using cat list.txt. As expected, we see each word printed on a separate line. Now comes the interesting part. We'll use a combination of xargs and grep to filter this data. We now run the command. This takes each word from the file, processes them line by line using xargs, and filters out only those containing numbers using grep. The output is Linux 1.23, 2024, and World 99. Thanks for watching. Keep exploring, keep experimenting, and don't forget to subscribe to Thinkhumble for more tech tips, Linux tricks, and Gen AI-powered insights.